In the process of shrimp shelling, shrimp meat will be mixed with a lot of impurities, such as shrimp hair, shrimp intestines, shrimp shells, and other garbage, etc. At this time, it is necessary to clean the shrimp meat. If manual work is used, it will require a lot of labor, and the cost must be high, and the efficiency is low, and it is not necessarily clean. We designed this machine, using the principle of rotating cage, to pour the shrimp-containing impurities into the feed mouth, and with the rotation of the rotating cage, the shrimp meat will be separated from impurities to achieve the purpose of cleaning. It is not only efficient, but also labor-saving, requiring only 1 to 2 workers to work. This is an indispensable machine in shrimp processing. If you need it, please contact us. Thank you.